Alrighty, slot car racing fans, it is time for another tip and trick from Stingray Johnny. Today we are going to be talking about pickup shoes. Pickup shoes. Now, some people find it hard to install pickup shoes. I'm going to change that for you forever if you are one of those people. Some people might not have a problem with their pickup shoes, but for those who do, I'm going to try to teach you something right now. Now, Stingray Johnny has been doing this for many years, and I've learned some things along the way. I'm going to show you something else actually too. In fact, I'm going to show you the other thing first. You see how, well, you can't really see it. I have two springs here. I have two springs in my hand. They are stuck together. How do you think I'm going to get them apart? Explosives? No. I'm going to grab the other side and I'm simply going to twist. And that's it. That's all it took. That's all it took. So if you can grab them, I mean, because they're pretty small, it's not easy, but if you can grab the two sides, just twist. You just twist them. You twist them in opposite directions, like almost like a screw and a bolt. They'll come right apart. Now, back to this. Okay, so you're probably wondering why I'm holding a X-Acto knife. Well, this is part of the deal. This is part of what we're going to do here. Now, this always does get hard behind the camera, and but this is how I do it. I just do that. I pick that up like that. And then I probably should have done it. Here. Look at that. Hold it right there. Put your spring in. Slap it down. That's it. That's it. Just hold your spring down with an X-Acto knife. You can also use a lot of other things. You could use a little screwdriver. You could use you know, an emery board. You can use anything that's thin. So I hope that these couple tips helped you out, but it's very easy to do this, and hopefully you learned some. I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.